Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be looking at ways you can make money with just your laptop. If you have a laptop, then chances are that you can actually be making lots of money with just your laptop. I'm not talking about these click this to watch and then you get some kind of money out of that. I feel like if you're going to use your time to do that, why don't you use your time on something that will be able to bring you much more money within the same time frame? So that's what I'm going to focus on. I'm going to take you through 3 simple things that you can look at if you want to start making money online with your laptop. And if you're a student, I think this is very useful to you because students have lots of time. When I was a student, I had so much time and I really utilized that time very well. So I think that as a student, it's important. This video would be very useful for you. If you like it, make sure you share it with your friends, and I believe that you can all learn something from this. So let's jump into the video now. To make money genuinely online without having to do low-paying jobs that just give you very little amounts, I think the very first thing you need to do is to find what you're passionate about. What you're passionate about is what you like to talk about a lot. Is it entertainment? Is it hair? Is it football? Is it what have you? You can be interested in a lot of things. You can have passion in a lot of things. Passion is important because I can teach somebody a skill, but I cannot teach the person passion. So if you are passionate about something, maybe you're just passionate about making money, well, it's a start. So the whole thing is that find a passion that you're interested in, or find an industry that you're interested in. If you're into jewelry, if you're into food, maybe you're passionate about food, you find yourself watching lots of YouTube videos about food, etc. Check it out. One of the passion tests I do for people is that go to your YouTube history and just look through your history and see the kinds of videos you've been watching over the time period. If you realize that you are watching lots of food videos or lots of learning videos, realize that, okay, this guy has a passion for this. All right, so you could do that yourself just to find out what you're passionate about. And once you know what you're passionate about, I think that's the very first step into how to make money online, because you'd want to be doing something that you are good at, something that you're actually interested in. Because if you are not interested in, believe me, you are going to stop after a while when maybe you're not seeing the money coming as it's supposed to. So find something that you're passionate about, something that you believe in, something that you like, and then you can start from there. Now that you know something that you're passionate about, I think the very next thing is to build a skill around it. Skill is very important because without skill, there is no way you can make genuine money online. People are paying others online because they are skillful in what they do. So if you are good at writing, if you are good at editing, if you are good at taking pictures, if you are good at voiceovers, you could even use your voice to make money. The thing is that find a skill and start perfecting that skill, whatever skill it is. And some of the most sought after skills currently are data analytics, SEO, digital marketing. There are so many more. And the good thing is that you don't need a degree to be able to access any of these. You can sit down, spend some all nights, and learn these skills. I stress on this so much because if you don't have the skills, you have no worth to anybody. So get the skills first, and then you'll be able to now talk about monetizing it. I believe that writing is always a good place to start. I start with writing because we do writing a lot in terms of schoolwork. If you're a student or you've been a student before, you've definitely written something before. You've written essays, you've written assignments. So we already have that skill of writing. Now, if you learn a little bit about search engine optimization, then you can produce search engine optimized content, which is very valuable to companies because it helps them make money. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I actually have a book called Let's Talk SEO. I believe that you can start from there, get the book. I'll put the link in the description below. And once you get started, you'll have an idea of what you can do, what you can't. And once you have that skill, you'll be able to build upon it. If you want to get started in search engine optimization, I would really recommend this book. I think you should get it. It's really going to help you build that skill. And once you have that skill, you'll be able to start making good money online. Another easy aspect is digital marketing or social media management. Companies are looking for people that are good in creating content. If you have a good phone, you can use it to create content. You can actually manage people's social media for them, because companies have so much to think about. They are thinking about their business, so they don't really have the time to be working on their social media. I think as a student, it's a great job where you can manage people's social media content and earn some money from that. I also have a whole course in digital marketing. It's going to teach you all those basics. We're going to cover social media, we're going to cover SEO, we're going to look at all the aspects. And if you don't know what to do, I'd really recommend that course to you, because you're going to learn a lot from it. I believe you'll be able to narrow down and then select one skill that you can focus on. All the links are in the description. Make sure you check it out. So I hope this video is being useful to you. If it is, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share with a friend so you can also start making money together with a friend. It's a nice thing if all your friends are making some money, so that all the pressure is not on you, you know. Anyway, the third and the final thing is to offer your services to companies. Now, I'm saying companies because a lot of times people target individuals. The thing with individuals is that they are not a business, they are not running anything commercially, so they may not need to be coming back to you all the time. But a business is always running commercially. If you have a skill, there's a high probability that businesses need that skill. Let's say you are good at photography. Businesses will need a good photographer. It could be a hair studio, it could even be a mechanic, it could be so many things. It could be a cake shop, it could be so many things. Basically, every business needs these skills. Every business needs these core digital skills that are very, very essential to businesses. So start reaching out. If you're a student or maybe you're working somewhere, you can always reach out to people. I've seen that you can reach out to companies quite easily right now, sometimes via Instagram. You can even reach out to them via email, get their phone number, have a call with them, have a meeting, let them know what you want to do, and offer them your services. Once you have that skill grounded, you realize that most of them will be willing to take a bet on you. And with that, you'll be able to start making some genuine money with your skills, whether it's online or using your laptop. You'll be able to do that. You could even be a graphic designer. Every single business needs a graphic designer. You could learn the basics of graphic design from my course, the digital marketing course. And from there, you can get started. There are free graphic design apps that you can use like Canva. You can learn so much and you can benefit so many people at the same time with your skill. So these are just my thoughts on how to make money genuinely online with your laptop. I really urge you to try it out. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the steps. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.